Factor pairs are pairs of whole numbers that, when multiplied together, equal a certain number. Understanding factor pairs can be useful in many areas of math, such as finding common factors, simplifying fractions, and factoring numbers. Let's take the number 12 as an example. The factor pairs of 12 are 1, 12, 2, 6, and 3, 4. We get these factor pairs by finding two numbers that multiply to give 12. For example, 1 times 12 equals 12, so 1, 12 is a factor pair of 12. Similarly, 2 times 6 equals 12, so 2, 6 is also a factor pair of 12. But why are factor pairs useful? Well, one application of factor pairs is in simplifying fractions. For example, if we want to simplify the fraction 24/36, we can use the factor pairs of 24 and 36 to do so. The factor pairs of 24 are 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 8, and 4, 6. The factor pairs of 36 are 1, 36, 2, 18, 3, 12, 4, 9, and 6, 6. We can see that both 24 and 36 have a factor pair of 3, 12. So, we can divide both the numerator and denominator of the fraction by 12 to simplify it to 2/3. Another application of factor pairs is in factoring numbers. By finding the factor pairs of a number, we can break it down into smaller factors, which can be useful in solving equations or finding prime factors. So, whether you're simplifying fractions or factoring numbers, understanding factor pairs is a valuable skill to have. Practice finding factor pairs of different numbers and see how they can help you in your mathematical endeavors.